Welcome back to A Man About the House. As the weather's warming up and a bit of rain, the weeds seem to be getting very big, as you can see from this one here. Now I thought I'd try a couple of different methods. On this weed I was going to try vinegar, and then I've got another similar size weed this side, which I'm going to use boiling hot water and give it sort of 48-72 hours to see the results, which you can see at the end of the video. For this one, it's just simple enough as just pouring the hot water over the weed. We wasn't forecast any rain. I think we had a little bit 24 hours later. I started this on Friday at 11 o'clock. And I've taken some pictures which you'll see throughout the progress and see how the weeds react. And then on this one, it's just a simple case of just some white vinegar, just covering it. And then just to see how it reacts over the time. It was quite warm on this day, so that always helps. Now for a more instant result, I used the Fiskars weed puller tool. I picked this up from Robert Dias. I think it was about £20 last year. I don't think they're much more now. As you can see, it gives the instant result. It does leave a bit of a hole in the ground which will need backfilling, but removes the weeds instantly, and most of the time you can pull it right out from the root to remove it completely. With the Fiskars tool, it doesn't take long to get a pile of weeds built up. As it gives an instant result, it's something that you can work through quite quickly and stay on top of. So this is one that I poured some hot water on start of the week. As you can see, it has killed the weed off. Not sure if it's killed it off down to the root though. Just a word of warning. Do not just put vinegar onto slabs. As you can see, it's etched the slab, which I didn't know beforehand. So now here's the pictures of how the weeds reacted over the next 72 hours. Right, so here's the results. It's been over 72 hours since I've done this. Done it at 11 o'clock on Friday. It's now 3 o'clock on Monday. As you can see, the vinegar has worked. It has killed the leaves off, at least, of the weed that we applied the vinegar to. I thought it might have been a bit better, but a bit crispy. Hasn't really rained the weekend. I think it rained once, just a little shower on Saturday morning. But as you see, that was the vinegar one. Thought it would work a little bit better than that, but as I said, it has done the job. It has killed it off. So let's have a look at the hot water and see how that's got on. As you can see, the hot water one again has killed it off. I think it has worked. A couple of beetles. I think it has worked better than the vinegar. And the hot water is something that you can apply to your paving without having to worry about it etching, like what I had done with the vinegar. I mean, it has broke it down quite well. So I think the hot water probably worked best. So now that the weather's warming up, there's many more jobs to do in the garden. So if you liked this video or found it useful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.